In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with Vive Financial collections. If you've received a collection notice, don't panic. You can handle this step by step and protect your rights while working toward a clean resolution. First, don't ignore the notice. Open it right away, read it carefully, and note key details like the account reference, the amount claimed, and any deadlines. Many places give you a limited window, often around 30 days from the first notice, to ask for verification, so timing matters. Save the letter, voicemails, and screenshots of any messages. If calls feel overwhelming, you can request communication in writing, which also helps you keep a paper trail. The main goal here is to acknowledge the situation and stay organized rather than letting late fees or additional collection activity pile up. Next, verify the debt. Send a written request for a validation letter if you haven't received one yet. Ask for the name of the original creditor, an itemized breakdown of the balance, proof that the collector has the right to collect, and the date of your last payment. Compare that information with your records and your credit reports to confirm the amount and the account. Look for red flags like unfamiliar accounts, duplicate listings, or a debt that may be too old to sue on under your local statute of limitations. If anything is wrong or the debt isn't yours, dispute it in writing and keep copies of everything you send and receive. If the debt is accurate, consider negotiating or settling. Decide what you can realistically afford before you call. You can ask for a payment plan or a reduced lump sum settlement. Both are common. Get every term in writing before you pay, including the final amount, due dates, interest, or fees, and how they'll report the account to credit bureaus. Be careful not to agree to something that strains your budget. Keep notes of every conversation, including dates and names, and save emails and letters. When you're ready to pay, pay safely. Use a traceable method such as an official online portal, a cashier's check, or another secure payment option you can document. Avoid methods that can't be tracked or that expose your full bank account to withdrawals you didn't authorize. Include the account reference on your payment and keep the receipt and screenshots. Finally, get proof of resolution. Ask for a letter confirming the account is paid in full or settled for less than the full balance and that the remaining balance is zero. Check your credit reports after 30 to 45 days to confirm updates. If the reporting isn't accurate, file a dispute with documentation. Keep your records for your files. You've got this. Follow these steps, keep everything in writing, and move forward with confidence.